Yeah, good morning and welcome. Yeah, I'm by the name Dr. Samuel, and I'm here to take you through um, brooding in a 30,000 capacity pen house. Currently, before these birds were brought, cleaning and disinfection was done, and this pen was allowed to stay for up to a month before another stocking was done. Why is this important? It's important because after each batch, we give the pen house enough time for all of the diseases that might be contained within it to die out even after washing and disinfection. Now, after this is done, before your birds are brought in, we make sure that our heat sources are checked, ventilation is well taken care of, and that the cages, the pipings, that's the water lines, the feeders, everything is working perfectly. When all of this has been checked, then we can receive our birds. When we receive our birds, we make sure that beyond just stocking the birds anyhow, there's a particular number that we use in stocking our birds, and this ensures that the birds are not overcrowded or too few in itself. And this helps us to make sure that temperature is regulated and they're able to generate temperature within themselves. Other than this, you notice that we provided sources of heat. You notice that we provided sources of lightning, and air is able to come into this place. We have extractors, we have fans to make sure that yes, there's proper ventilation and the birds are able to take all of this. Now, beyond this, another thing that is very important, when it comes to brooding, is nutrition, adequate nutrition. Each of these birds have a particular amount of feed that they consume per day, and this helps them grow up very well. Other than the feeding, we also talk about the medications. We give multivitamins, we give mild antibiotics. Why? Because we try to take care of bacteria in the gut, bacteria in the respiratory tract, and to ensure that these birds are in a perfect state of health. Other than that, uh, we also provide vaccines. These vaccines, are given appropriately. First, we begin at day 0, then at day 7, at day 14, and so forth. And these birds are well taken care of. They are fed, their water lines are packed, and we make sure that all of these are put in place.